Welcome to all the viewers to yet another edition of the channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? Subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb plus ing. Verb plus ing, we are calling it as present participle. Already we have discussed a number of times about this present participle. So let us see examples, instances for this tense. Continuous, we call it progressive. He will be starting a new chapter. So first item is subject. Second item will or shall. Already we have seen for I and we have to use shall. If any doubt is there, will we can use for all. He will be common for all. Next item is present participle, starting. So he will be starting. After that anything can be added, before or after, but this is the structure. So he will be starting is the correct answer. They will be checking all the items. They will be checking, another appropriate answer. You will be watching the match. So all the four items are here. Subject, will or shall, be, watching. So another correct example. She will be traveling with her. So subject, will or shall, be, verb plus ing. One more correct answer. Let us see the fifth instance. We will be learning a lot at the training. We, subject, will or shall. Correct answer is will also. Shall also can be added. Compulsory item be, verb plus ing, learning. So correct answer. So this formula or guideline should be followed in future continuous tense. Indicators. What are the indicators? Will or shall plus be plus present participle. These are the indicators of this tense. So I like to sum up. This tense is used in future tense which will happen for a long time. And this tense is also called as future progressive tense. Dear viewers, let us do this simple exercise to check the understanding of our tense, future continuous tense. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Just 5 questions are here. She will be dash bracket plant many saplings. So we have to fill the blank. So correct answer is planting. Planting. We call it present form of verb or present form of verb plus ing or present participle. The doctor dash operating him. So suitable words will. Next one is be. The doctor will be. Third one, the dealer will be bracket bring all the items. Appropriate answer is bringing. Nothing but present participle. Fourth one, the sprinters dash trying for gold medal. So correct answer is will be. Nothing but our knowledge of this tense. Last question, what are the indicators of this tense? So 3 blanks are here. So first one is will or shall. Second one, be. Third one is present participle. Dear viewers, please check the description box for notes on this tense. Thank you.